Hey, welcome to Watson's Models here in York Haven, Pennsylvania. It's kind of nice out actually, but I'm starting to get a little bit better. I've been sick for a long time and, you know, trying to flush out the evilness that's inside my system. We got us a nice mail call. Andy's Hobby Headquarters, Black Friday sale. You guys watch his videos? I do. And yeah, so I may as well share with you the spoils of whatever you want to call it, the plunder, yeah. Anyhow, let's get to it. Let me move the camera around. All right, is this thing recording? I can't tell, but anyhow, Andy's Hobby Headquarters, all the way from Arizona. Yeah, he has a little Black Friday special thing going on, you know, and he's whipping kits across the table and showing off all of his wares and t-shirts. And I'm like, well, you know, you got to jump on the train. So I did. Anyways, so here's what's in the box. Don't show this to my wife, man. She'll just kill me. But all right, I got 3 new t-shirts from Andy's. So let's take a peek at them. Now, I get the 3X's because I'm kind of a big dude. And the first one, oh, it landed in my lap. Battle Taxi M113. Yeah. Awesome stuff, man. Okay. That's the first one. We gotta have a battle taxi. Yeah, they reached out to me because one of the 3X's that I wanted, they were out of stock, so they offered me a different shirt. I said, surprise me, just pick one and send it to me. All right, the second one, the shirt is blue, and this is the Andy's Hobby Headquarters Large Scale Legion. Yeah, bigger is better. That's what they all say, right? I like this one, man. And you know what's funny about these shirts? They end up disappearing when I go downstairs and my wife's wearing them. Well, they smell like you and they're big and comfortable and, you know, I'm thinking this might be the one they surprised me with. All right. This is the Greetings from Andy's Hobby Headquarters in sunny Arizona shirt. Very nice. And I actually have a, where is it? I have a postcard that says that, like a sticker or whatever. Cool. Those shirts look awesome. Happy hobby days and merry everything. Our gratitude never takes a holiday. We greatly appreciate your support and wish you all the best in the new year. That's right. Get the M24 made. Do a Chaffee. Do a 1.5 in 1/16 scale. That'd be kind of cool. All right, so we're going to start with a couple of Panther kits from Das Werk. All right, there's the one. And I'm trying to remember, is it just, it was a two different Panthers. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do independent reviews on these things. So keep an eye out for Watson's Models channel, and we're gonna get some open box things going on with these things. So these are cool, man. Let me set these down. Ugh. All right, as promised, with one of his purchases, depending on dollar amount, you get a free Andy's Hobby Headquarters sanding sticks. And I can already tell I'm going to love these because they narrow down. See how they're kind of wide here, but they go narrow. And I've got a lot of hidden locations that need narrow sanding. All right, I thought I had more. I thought I ordered more figures than this. I got 2 tank crewmen, a commander and a crewman. Humma. let's look at the receipt here. Let's see, I've got the 3 t-shirts, the 2 tank crewmens, the 2 Panthers. Okay, that's all I got was the 2 figures. All right, and then I've got a Takom 16th scale. Panzerkampfwagen. Yeah. I don't think I have this one. I'm gonna have to look around because sometimes I make a mistake and purchase an extra kit, which is fine because we'll just do whatever other version they have. But yeah, love me some Panzerkampfwagens. Doesn't look like there's a ton of parts in there, but hey, I love me some Takom. Yeah. All right. That's it. It's simple. I don't have anything else from Andy's here that I got. I did get a, hang on a minute, I'll show you what else I got. So, in the 70s, late 70s, early 80s, I owned a Schwinn bicycle. Had a little wheel in the front, big wheel in the back, banana seat, shifter, right? You guys know what I'm talking about, the crate. Or is it karate? I don't know. But anyhow, MPC has this little kit right here. And how cool is that? My bicycle looked just like that, but it was yellow. And we got it used, but some rat bastard stole it out of my backyard. And there is no more gut-wrenching, empty feeling when you walk out to find something that you really love is missing and gone. And that sucks. So the other kits that I picked up here recently are these 1/1 scale. Okay. These German Panzerkampfwagen, what is that, 3 and 4 from Tory Factory. And this is a life-size scale track section, which we will do a separate video on. But they are, just to kind of give you an idea how big they are, they look like that. And I was an Abrams tank crewman, and according to what I'm seeing on their website or whatever, one of these advertisers, somewhere I saw it, they have the track blocks for an Abrams. So I'm excited to get those. That's it. It's Saturday. Army Navy's playing right now, and I think the Navy's winning. So, all right. Thanks for watching some models. Just wanted to let you guys see what came in the mail. I guess we could call this a mail call. And you guys have a great weekend. Get out there and build something. Paint something. Whittle something. Sand something. Finish the kits that you started for somebody else something. Yeah. Love you. Bye.